Hello guys, we're gonna buy some socks. Ali, kay tanaw talani sa ilang socks, oh. Tura, oh, tura. Na may socks nga tagas, pambata. Yung ana, itong kung taas. Ano siya ni? Pambata ni? Kani? Pambata ni? Guys, we're gonna buy some bread. Across the street. Across the street. Buy some bread. We got some bread, ice cream. Yummers. There's a lot of ice cream. Ice cream. Unsay imo? Katura gihapon? Nay dako-dako dana nga ubi og choco? Wala, maura na siya. Kana lang 79. Kaya ang keso kay di kakaon. I'll just buy more next time. Here in the ice cream store, there's our baja, there's the kids. Unsay mo love cornetto? Ha? Oh, she wants cornetto. Unsay mo? Ha? Blue? Cornetto dayon nga blue. Kana blue o gunsa? Imo love blue? Red? Apili si Ate Ivy. Kanang red yapon. Pila na siya? Ah, pila. Pilay kulang. 6. We're going. Okay, seat belt. Here. Ibutang sa likod.
We're ready.
Ready.
Ice cream, vanilla ice cream.
Rocky Road.
What you got?
Dump truck excavator.
Dump truck and excavator.
And socks.
Wow, and socks.
Can you try on the socks?
You like that socks?
Yeah.
Is that what you want? Nanay naka. Hello guys, we're home now. We had a quick ride to town and it's Sunday. So February 3 and there's not much people in town. They all went to church.
Thank God.
So it's not really that much of a traffic and it was nice cruising in town without much people in the road. So yeah.
Wow, look at your new socks. Wow.
No, you don't have to kuan. Ipakita lang imong feet, babe. Imong feet. Wow.
Look at
Wow.
new socks for LL.
Mana?
And your new truck, new cars. Show me your excavator.
Oh.
And a new excavator. Wow.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, vlog.
The leftover chicken, roasted chicken that we had last time. And then we'll make this. We have like this. Maybe I'll add some more because this is like only very little. So bihon and this onion, garlic, and carrots. And then we have cabbage in there. I'll cook that for lunch. Like make this into tiny little strips and then mix it with this bihon. Yummers. So it's almost 12:03 and then let's look at the calendar here. February 3. High tide is 11:48 and it's 0.69. So today's high tide is 0.69 meters. It's 11:48 a.m. so that's around this time. So we'll go there in a little while. We're going to our Fortuner. We're going to the beach. Beach ride. Among kapaingon. Ha?
No, it's high tide. Wow. Park back here. Yeah. Okay, go. Oh, your toys.
Hello guys, we're here at the beach, huh? Yeah, here at the beach. Hi! Banig. It's so dirty in here. Dirty. There's the canal there. Hello guys, we're here at the beach. It's breezy here. There are people in here. There are people around. Wow. Oh my god, what is that? It's currently very windy here now. Dili ta mahulugan dali sa gabi? It's not that the coconut will not go down?
I don't know. I can't see into the future, but
Yeah, it's very windy now.
don't look like many coconuts down.
No?
No.
What about that one?
That's old.
Oh, that's old?
Yeah.
It's very breezy here, windy. That's part of the insulation. It's like you're a genie ready to fly. You know the one with the carpet? Let's see what we have for lunch here. Hello, this is the onion and garlic, shredded, roast chicken, cabbage, carrots, and bihon. Bihon. Add in soy sauce on the shredded chicken. So yes, we'll put in carrots, cabbage. There's the bihon.
Right here.
I put a little bit of regular bihon and vermicelli sutanghon. There's the bihon and rice. Yummers. Rice.
Kaon pa nga. Dadlakaw tame. Ito tama mananay.
Already put in the roof insulation already, and this is the one that we bought in town, 65 pesos. Putting up the turkey. And then some gravy. I'm gonna heat that up. And then whole berry cranberry sauce, mashed potato, cranberry, gravy, ginger ale,
turkey,
Turkey breast. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching and for always tuning into my videos and daily vlogs. And of course, I'm gonna end today's vlog. Thank you so much all for watching, and if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.